Hello everybody, you can call me Hunch. Today I'm going to be talking about XRP. If you know anything about me, you know that I really genuinely dislike XRP. I think it goes against everything that crypto is good for, which is decentralization. I think it throws it to the wind and it helps the banks. And the whole idea of crypto is to build a financial infrastructure outside of banking. And XRP says, nope, we're going to help the banks, right, stay relevant. And it leaves a bad taste in my mouth. You know, maybe I'm biased, but and then also if you watch a bunch of YouTubers, they say they have paperwork from the government, they have all these documents that show it's going way up and the government's going to support XRP, and it's basically, to me, it sounds like a conspiracy theory. Now, some conspiracy theories can come true, but I do think it's majorly conspiratorial in nature. So let's look at the chart. This is what I think is going to happen. Okay, so as you can see here, we have this line of support. It's pretty clear. And, you know, some would even say you've got like a descending wedge here, right? Maybe that's bullish, right? I think it's bearish, and I think it's bearish because, remember, fundamentals underlie the chart. I think you have that lawsuit going on, and I do think that Ripple is a security, and I think all tokens are a security, and maybe they were targeted. I get that, and maybe that's where the conspiracy theory thinking comes from, right? The only one that is not really a security has been Bitcoin, because it was the first, right? And then Stacks, because they went through the SEC, they filed. All these other tokens that issue are doing so, in my opinion, almost illegally, right? But I think it's going to look something like this. I think it's going to just continue to break down, like further down here. I can't really zoom in, but like it may trade sideways a little longer, but I think it's going to break down. And I think the regardless of the lawsuit, I think people are going to become more educated about XRP, and that it's really just kind of the villain, right? It's bad, and I think this area right here is going to look like this, basically. This support line, or you could put a support line here, right? It touches a few times here, but then it breaks down, right? Way down. And I think the same is going to happen over in where it's at currently. I think it's going to break way down. Now, it may not. I'm not a financial advisor, but I think it's possible that people are catching on that XRP is just kind of scammy. Like, Ripple is and XRP are like two separate businesses, right? Why don't they just have Ripple, like a Ripple token? Why do they have an XRP token? To me, the whole thing is conspiratorial thinking and sketchy. I think it breaks the downside. I'm just telling the truth. Maybe it breaks to the upside. Maybe this is a descending wedge. Maybe they win the lawsuit and it shoots way up, right? And I'm wrong, and I think that's a possibility. But I would stay as far away of it as you can. Now, if you want to take a gamble, go ahead. Be my guest. I'm staying away from it. This is my update on Ripple. I think it breaks down like it does over here in the long term. I think it underperforms the entire market. I think it's garbage, and I think it's a marketing scam. You can call me Hunch.